Hi friends, it's me, Miss Robbie. So today we are going to make a pizza because chefs or people that make pizzas are also community helpers, and to be honest, my favorite kind of community helpers. So let's do it. So because I didn't have any brown paper, I have one large white circle and a medium-sized red circle. I have some yellow little scraps of paper. I have a brown crayon. I have a glue stick. Whoop, it's rolling away. Come back, come back. And I have some very small little red circles, some little green strips, some mushroom shapes, shaped like a T, and some little white strips. And don't worry, not everybody's going to have the same toppings on their pizza, and that's okay because not everybody likes the same kind of toppings. Okay, let's do this. So I noticed that I was out of brown paper, so that's all right. I took my white paper and a brown crayon, and I'm going to color mainly the outside of the circle brown because we're going to put the red circle on top of it because that's going to be our crust and the red will be our sauce. So let's color that outer rim of our white circle brown because it is going to be the crust of our pizza. Now that our crust looks delicious, let's put some sauce on the pizza. So open up your glue stick, give it a turn, and now start putting the glue all over, especially the white part in the middle, because that's where we're gonna put the sauce, and it has to stick. So glue, and then don't forget, put the sauce on, and then pat, pat, pat. Now, I like cheese on my pizza, so I'm gonna put the glue all over the red part, all over the sauce, and then we're going to sprinkle some yellow cheese on our pizza, and then after, we're gonna pat, pat, pat it, and then we're gonna give it a little bit of a shake to shake off any of the extra cheesy pieces that didn't get a chance to stick. Now in my house, we like peppers on our pizza, so I'm gonna put some green peppers on there. You're gonna take one or two, lay it flat on the table, and then just put your glue right over it. And it's okay if you get glue on the table, you can always wash the table. And then stick it onto your pizza, and don't forget, pat, pat, pat. And now we're gonna do the same thing with the onions. And if you don't like onions, you don't have to put it on your pizza. But go ahead, put some onions on if you would like. And look, I like mushrooms on my pizza, so I'm gonna put some mushrooms on my pizza. And if there's a topping that you like that I didn't give you, you can always just cut out another one. Maybe you like broccoli. Maybe you like pineapple. Cut out some pineapple pieces and put them right on that pizza. And now one thing is for sure, I love pepperoni on my pizza. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna pick up a piece of pepperoni, put some glue, and stick it. And give it an extra little push so that it will stick to my pizza. Ooh, man, does that pizza look good. Friends, I hope you enjoyed making this pizza with me, but don't eat it, because it's not real, even though it looks really delicious. Well, friends, thanks for doing art with me today, and as always, I'll be back with more videos.